Sources telling Times now that the SIT probed now into this entire matter will be soon quizzing the controversial meat exporter Moin Qureshi in connection with the Sunanda murder probe, and Qureshi will be quizzed over his messages that he had sent to Sunanda. Let's try and get in more details also from Aditya, who's broking that information for us. Aditya, but the point is, why really, there were text messages exchanged between the two? What is the link that, the agencies now are looking at?
Well, absolutely. That is the big news coming at this hour. That controversial meat exporter and Moin Qureshi, who stays in Delhi, would be questioned in this particular case. In fact, there were reports that Sunanda Pushkar was continuously in touch with Moin Qureshi. Police really wants to establish the motive in this entire murder. They're trying to find what exactly happened, and that is why they have gone through the telephone records of Sunanda Pushkar before the murder, and they are trying to verify each and every person she was in contact with. Now, there are reports that Sunanda Pushkar and Moin Qureshi were in touch. In fact, they also met for dinner in August 2013. That was months before her murder took place in Delhi's Leela Hotel. Now, Moin Qureshi has been in news recently because of continuously meeting Ranjit Sinha, the former CBI director, at his residence. This was exposed by the prominent advocate Prashant Bhushan. There was this Dairygate case that is pending in the Supreme Court, but certainly this another angle has taken a new twist in this particular case, and Delhi Police SIT would be considering to probe this angle further and would probably in the coming days question Moin Qureshi.